In today's tutorial, I want to show you how to arrange items alphabetically in Excel in the correct way. Please remember to subscribe to this channel. Thank you. So in Excel, I have this data. I have location names. I have the longitude and the latitude with the elevation. So if I want to arrange it alphabetically, for example, I want to arrange with this location name. So what is the best way to do it? And it must be arranged in such a way that this longitude and latitude with elevation is not distorted. So the best way to do it is what I want to show you. However, I will show you the wrong way some people used to do it, which results in data contamination. So to do it, normally you highlight the column you want to sort, just like this. Then come to data, come to sort. So when you come to sort, click on continue with the current selection, click on sort. Then we are sorting with column A and we are sorting on values. We are sorting from A to Z. So if you click OK, it will be wrong because only this column will be sorted, while it will not sort this longitude and latitude with elevation accordingly. So if I click on OK, you can see it has been arranged alphabetically. However, this longitude and latitude remain unchanged, which means you have interchanged the longitude and latitude value with the wrong locations. So this is not the best way to do it. So let me undo. Now the best way to do it is you highlight all the column, all the available column, as I've done. Then when you are highlighting, don't highlight the headings of these columns. Don't highlight it. Highlight only from the values, as I've done. Then come to data, click on sort. Now we are sorting by column A, which is this column. This is the one we are interested in, but it must be done in such a way that the corresponding longitude, latitude and elevation is sorted accordingly and be correct. So as I've highlighted everything, we are sorting with column A and we are sorting on values. Then here you choose the order, whether from A to Z or Z to A. So let's sort from A to Z. Then you click on OK. If you look at it, everything has been sorted in alphabetical order and the corresponding longitude and latitude was sorted along. So the latitude and longitude for this very location is correct and the elevation is correct. So in essence, this is how to arrange items alphabetically in Excel easily and correctly. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.